Yo. So today I've decided, since I've been like teaching you forever, I'm going to teach you an advanced technique. If you click on particle and you pick a color and then you do this, it'll make like lots of dots. And you can make big dots as well. Now, if you've managed to master that after like a few weeks of practice, you can change to a different color. You can actually make different colored dots on top of the other dots. Like so. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, then go out and draw some dots. Or you could like, I always say that, I always say go and draw a thing or do a thing. But like, there are dots out there in the real world. If you like go and look for them, you'll learn a lot. So like go out and observe them and you will expand your horizons as an artist and stop being so stupid all the time. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.